Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Microsoft 365 apps for productivity. So what you're going to do here is you have to go to Microsoft 65 and these are the applications that you can use. So first we have here is Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word is used for writing and document creation, used for reports, letters, or content writing. You can apply templates for resumes, reports, and proposals to save time. These are the templates you can use. You can tap on create new blank right here, and inside there are tons of different features that you can use. So you can use dictation, voice to text for faster writing. You can track changes and comments help when working with teams. So this is what it looks like. You can save this one after. Next we have here is Microsoft Excel. There are tons of templates that you can use here. So this one is good for data management and analysis. Use spreadsheets for budgeting, schedules, and project tracking, formulas and functions. Automate calculations. You can also summarize large data sets quickly and use conditional formatting to highlight important trends or headlines. Next one is Outlook. So basically, it can organize your emails, calendar, tasks, and contacts in one place. And it can also used for rules and focus inbox to manage emails efficiently, sync calendar events across devices for reminders, and shared calendars make team scheduling easier. Let's move on to Teams. So basically, Microsoft Teams is good for communication and collaboration. So here you can see features such as chat, hold video meetings with your team, create channels for different projects, integrate Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files for real-time collaboration, and use Planner integration for task tracking. Let's move on to OneNote. So basically, this application is good for notes and organization. It can take digital notes with text, images, drawing voice, organize notes by notebooks, section, and pages. It can also sync notes across devices for any time and great for meeting, notes, brainstorming, and to-do list. Next we have here is the PowerPoint. So this one is very useful for students and also for workers. It can build professional slides for meetings or teaching. Use design to get auto layout suggestions. It can embed videos, charts, and icons for engaging presentations and practice with presenter coach to improve delivery. And then next we have here is the Microsoft Drive. So this one is cloud storage. You can store all your files securely in the cloud, access documents from any device, enable autosave for Office apps so nothing is to lose, and share files easily with links instead of attachments. And we have here also Designer. They have this Designer which you can generate images here. You can just tap on create and start with a prompt, and the clip champ where you can edit a video. So basically, these are the applications that you can use here in Microsoft 365. However, there are also other applications if you want to use them. So I really hope this video helped you. This is how to use Microsoft 365 apps for productivity. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.